Hey there, in this video I'll show you how to connect your Sony XM4 headphones to a Windows 11 laptop, and if it helps, please give it a thumbs up. Right, we'll start with the laptop, so grab your cursor and go down to the search button and type in blue for Bluetooth. Select Bluetooth and other device settings. Just here on the top line it says Bluetooth is turned off. I'll toggle mine on. Below this, connect a new device. So let's click Add Device. The first line here says Bluetooth audio devices. That's what we want to add. So let's select that. And now it's looking for a device. So grab your headset and look underneath the left cup. You'll see two buttons, one for power, one for custom. We want to press and hold the power button for approximately 5 to 10 seconds. I've just pressed it now. It's powered on. It's now become discoverable and I can release that button. And as you can see on screen, it's located the XM4. So let's go down to them, select. It says connecting. And they are now connected. If you wish to disconnect, you can press the button right here. Let's leave them connected and press X. And if you have a look down the list here, you can see the WXM4s and it gives you the battery percentage. We have 3 buttons beside them. We can disconnect or we can remove the device altogether.